Hello children, today I am going to start exercise 12.2 that is based on perimeter. As in previous lecture we did perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square with the help of formula. In question number 1 and question number 2 there are sums of fractions and decimals. For the time being I am skipping those sums. Directly I am moving to question number 3. Today we will be doing 12.2, question number 3, 4 and 5. The perimeter of a triangle is 19 centimeter. If the two sides are of length 8 centimeter and 7 centimeter, then find its third side. As you know, the perimeter of a closed figure is the sum of its all sides. Now in a triangle we have 3 sides, so the perimeter of the triangle is sum of 3 sides, which is given in the question, 19 centimeter. The sum of 3 sides is 19 centimeter and they have given you 2 sides, one is 8 centimeter, another 7 centimeter. Sum of 2 sides 8 plus 7 15 centimeter. Perimeter is sum of 3 sides 19 centimeter. Now we take away 15 from 19. Third side will be sum of 3 sides minus sum of 2 sides. That comes out 19 minus 15, 4 centimeter. So here our third side will be 4 centimeter. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 4, 19. Perimeter 19 is given, so we have also calculated 19 centimeter. Next is number 4. The length and breadth of a rectangular playground are 140 meter and 130 meter. What distance do you cover if you cover around the ground twice? We know in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. It's given 140, opposite is also 140, breadth is 130, opposite also 130. So we'll be writing length equals to 140 meter, breadth equals to 130 meter. Now one has to cover the distance, that will be 1 round. So the distance covered in 1 round is 140 plus 130 plus 140 plus 130. But in rectangle you are supposed to use formula. Distance covered in 1 round is perimeter, that is 2 into L plus B. Put value of length 2 into 140 plus value of breadth 130. 2 into 270, 540 meter. So the distance covered in 1 round is 540. If one has to take 2 rounds, distance covered in 2 rounds is 540 into 2, that is 1080 meter. Last, number 5. The length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 120 meter and 90 meter respectively. Find the length of wire needed to fence all around the garden 5 times. Dimensions of a garden are given. Length is 120 meter, breadth is 90 meter. You have to tell how much wire is needed to fence it 5 times. Means with wire you have to take 5 rounds. First we will be writing length 120 meter, breadth 90 meter. Length of wire needed for 1 round is perimeter, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Put value of length and breadth 2 into 120 plus 90. 2 into 210, 420 meter. So length of wire needed for 1 round is 420 meter. wire needed for 5 rounds. For 5 rounds you need wire 420 into 5, 2100 meter. So these are 3 problem sums based on perimeter of rectangle.